Name's Ned. This is my dog Jai, and together we are on a journey to build out enterprise grade Power BI CI/CD pipelines in Azure DevOps. Now, if that sounds exciting for you, well, good news for you. This is a video series, and I will link the video playlist down below in the video description. Now, let's cover what we've done so far. First, we set up an Azure DevOps account. Next, we set up Git and we connected it to a dev and a test workspace. Then we tried to run the Microsoft provided demo Power BI YAML Azure pipeline. We then got stuck because we essentially didn't have access approved to use a Microsoft provided agent to run that pipeline. So we configured our own Azure pipeline agent on our own personal computer. Then we used that agent to run just a simple starter pipeline. And now, finally, in this video, we'll be trying to rerun the Microsoft provided Power BI demo YAML pipeline in Azure DevOps. So without further ado, let's get started and let's jump into the computer. First things first, I need to run our agent. So I'm going to search for the command prompt. I'm going to click run as an administrator. On the pop-up, say yes, it's okay. Then I'm going to go over here into the command prompt. I'm going to go cd c/windows /system 32 /agent. I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to type /run, and I'm going to hit enter one more time. Now, this should start up our agent so Azure DevOps or the Azure DevOps portal can recognize it. As you can see, it's now ready and it's listening for jobs. So zooming back out, it's now time for us to go back and take a look at what we're actually trying to build. Now, remember, this is the graph that we're trying to build right here. And if we go on down, boom, 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 they actually provide us a sample YAML script for our pipeline. So right here, here is the code that we want to paste into our pipeline into Azure DevOps. So it's time for us to go to Azure DevOps. I'm going to go to dev.azure.com. Here's my project, right? Here's my pipelines, and I don't have a pipeline. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit create pipeline. I'm going to say that my code is going to be in my Azure Git repo. My repository is going to be my Power BI video demo. And for my new pipeline, we need to go and grab that code that we were provided over here. So I'm going to go right here, click into new tab, and then I'm going to click right here to copy that raw file. And I'm going to paste it all over this right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit save and run. So I'm going to hit save and run, setting up Azure pipelines, or CI would be Azure pipelines. And hopefully this time it'll run because it'll use the agent that I currently have running on my laptop. So let's go ahead and let's hit the refresh button. And as you can see, it's still queued up. So we'll go ahead and we'll hit the refresh button one more time. And this is taking a little bit longer, so I'll come back to you once this is run successfully. And just like that, it successfully ran the pipeline. We have a green check mark for our pipeline run. So let's click into this run and let's see what it actually did. So I'm going to go over here to build data sets. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to expand all of these various steps. And I'm going to zoom back out so you guys can see. So first step that it did was it essentially checked the branch out. Then it downloaded the portable version of Tabular Editor. It ran the best practice dataset rules. And then finally, it completed that step. Next, it checked the branch back out again, downloaded the portable version of PBIX Inspector, ran the validation rules, and then checked it back in again one more time. So here we are with a completed pipeline run on our own agent, running on our own laptop, on our own Azure DevOps instance that we are running for free. So I think that's a pretty exciting end to this video. Thank you for joining me. If you want to continue following along on this Azure DevOps CI/CD journey that I'm on, or if you're just interested in Microsoft Power BI, business intelligence, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.